So, friends, we are going to go to the second exercise today, and that is on. We are seeing the exercises on these black keys. We have finished the first exercises of second set of two black key and fourth set of two black key. Now we are going to play second set of three black keys and third set of three black keys. This three and this three with these three fingers, second, third, and fourth, second, third, and fourth. And my son and my student, he is going to play this exercise. Ready? We are going to play everything on the speed of the tempo. The speed of the tempo is 80 with the metronome. One, two, ready and go. Two, three, four, four, three, two. Right hand. Two, three, four, four, three, two. If you had noticed him playing, he played the black circle notes like this. One, two. And the white circle with a stem like this. Four little long press, right? Long depressing. And this means the black color circle with a stem is the black color circle with a stem is crotchet, which is one count, right? Quarter note. And the white color circle with a stem is minim, which is half note, two counts. Black circles should be played for one count, da, da. But white circle for two count, da. So whenever you see the white circle with a stem, you have to play or sustain it for two counts, like this, da. Always black counts. This one quarter, quarter note, crotchet can be practiced like this, da, da, da. Right. Repeatedly, you listen to this exercise and practice. Thank you.